I definitely need to address something. Where's Michelle? Why?
All right, it's morning and we're out of the shop again. We're just leaving. We're gonna take you down to Orderville to a little project that Michelle and I have been working on for a year and a half-ish now. And it's ready to go. So we're gonna take you, show you what we've been up to, and hopefully you guys will like it. So here we go. I made her to Orderville. Got the tractor back there behind me. We bought this old house, we fixed it up. We've done a ton of work to it. I poured concrete, stem wall, sidewalk. Today we're doing lawns. We're getting the lawn ready to go. Get a sprinkler system in it and hopefully make it look halfway respectable. But the backyard still needs some love. I got a lot to do out here. With any luck, by the end of today, it'll look somewhat respectable and be closer to getting a sprinkler system and sod put in. So Landon, he is bringing the wood truck down so we can stack a bunch of the stuff that's going to the dump on it. I'll have Michelle take you for a little tour of the house. It's nice inside. We've done a ton of work in there. My neighbor JD, he's on the videos once in a while. Maxwell Construction. They helped us out and done a ton of the work inside. So we'll take you for a tour of that too.
Guys, we've been keeping a little bit of a secret from you. Well, it's not really a secret, but we haven't told you about it yet. Let's go on in here so I can explain to you guys a little bit more about what I'm talking about. Let's go. Super exciting news. While the guys are out there doing lawn stuff, I wanted to get on here because I definitely need to address something, which is we've been getting comments and emails that are like, where's Michelle? Why has Michelle not been in the videos lately? Is she okay? Is everything all right? All's fine. I'm doing great. The reason I haven't been in the videos a ton, I try to make an appearance here and there. While Paul's been busy in the shop and the guys doing all the things with the builds and everything, I've also been busy doing something completely different, but so exciting to me. I don't know if you guys know this or not. Most of you do know that I'm a professional hairdresser. Been doing that for about 21 years-ish now. I don't know if you guys knew this, but on the side, I also cleaned vacation rentals occasionally. I love cleaning vacation rentals. That's kind of weird, but it's like you can make something super pretty, shut the door and it stays pretty, unlike my house. But anyways, it's always been a dream of mine to own my own vacation rental one day so I could share it with everybody because we live in the most beautiful place. I mean, there's a lot of beautiful places in the world and we're lucky to live in one of them. We are directly in between Zion and Bryce where we live, and it's just a beautiful area. Last year, Paul and I bought a house in Orderville, which is 5 miles down the road from us, and it's a 1980. It needed a lot of work. For the last year, we've been working on it. And let me tell you, this has been a labor of love, and we are so excited to let you guys know that you can stay here. If you guys happen to be in Southern Utah and you need a place to stay with your family, this is a perfect place, and every single last bit of this house has my touch on it, and it's been so much fun decorating and designing and like doing everything. We have remodeled this place from top to bottom. We took out a wall in 2 bedrooms and made a master bedroom. It didn't have central air and heating. It does now. It needed all the electrical redone. It needed all the flooring taken out. We have done so much work to this place and I am so excited to share it with you. We're gonna put in a sprinkler system, sod, A hot tub's coming for out back. This place is amazing, you guys. I'm so excited to share it with you. It's got 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to put the link in the description. I'll also do a pinned comment so you guys can check it out. So I know this is a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on this channel, but I am so excited to show you all the hard work that we've done. But if you guys have summer plans, fall plans, next year plans, we would love to host you. And I'm probably gonna clean up after you too. But wait, there's more. So not only do we have a vacation rental here in southern Utah that we would love to share with you guys, if you guys are on the east side of the United States, we also have a place in Florida. Florida holds a special place in my heart. I was born there. I still have relatives there. We went back and forth multiple times when I was a kid, and I've just always loved Florida. The area that we stay in is by Flagler Beach. It's about 30 minutes away from Daytona Beach. An older gentleman decided to sell his house, and he actually moved out west. And my cousin knew that we were looking for a place, and so he let this guy know that we were looking, and so we started talking, and we ended up getting it from him. And he only took a trailer full of his stuff there, so a lot of his stuff was left there. So we headed to Florida, had a big yard sale, got it all spruced up. So here's the before and after pictures of that. Every bit of that house has a Michelle touch on it. I wanted this to be kind of like more of a beachy vibe house. It's 15 minutes away from the beach. Cute little, it's just a small little 1,200 square foot house, and it's perfect. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, garage, laundry area. It's perfect for what we need, but we only go there a couple times a year, so we wanted to share this place with you as well. If you guys are looking for a beautiful place to stay, go to Palm Coast, Florida, 15 minutes away from Flagler Beach. We would love to host you there too. So it's just been a dream of mine to own some vacation rental houses, and you guys are like family, and so obviously we want you to come stay at our house. The area where our house is it's just one of my favorite areas ever. Bunnell, Palm Coast, Flagler Beach. That's just like so many of my childhood memories were there. So I want to share that with you guys. Paul and the guys have been busy down at the shop. I try to like come in every once in a while, but man, putting a whole house together is not for the faint of heart. Whew. So yeah, that's where I've been. I have been remodeling, decorating houses, doing all the things. Anyways, let's get back to the guys working on the landscaping because I cannot wait for that to be done, and we'll give you updates along the way.
All right, little progress update. Landon's loading old gutters on, getting them out. I've got backyard close-ish. We got a bunch of gravel work to do. We got to put railroad ties. I got a lot to do, but we're winning. We're getting close with this battle. So we did the whole patio in the back. I did a pile of concrete work down here. Ran gutter drains so the house wouldn't flood anymore. Look at that. I'm gonna have peaches or cherries this year. Carl's over here slaving his life away. We're getting this all leveled out. The front yard is coming together. It's starting to look pretty dang good. So a few more hours, we'll have her ready for a sprinkler system. All right, finishing touches, we're picking up all the junk. We'll get it all loaded up in the truck and haul it off. I'm gonna get the hose out, water this all down and make it stay, clean the sidewalk off, and we're back to the shop.